Good morning students. Today first I will teach you how will you sort data using MS Excel. Then later on I will discuss about filter. How will you filter data? Now see, sorting means organize data. You could organize a list of contact information by last name. Content can be sorted alphabetically, numerically, and in many other ways. Okay. Types of sorting: sort sheet. Okay. When you sorting data, it is most important to first decide if you want the sort to apply to the entire worksheet or just a cell range. Sort sheet: organize all of the data in your worksheet by one column. Related information across each row is kept together when the sort is applied. Okay. Example: the contact name column has been sorted to display the names in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, you can see here. Sort range. Sort range sorts the data in a range of cells, which can be helpful when working with a sheet that contains several tables. Sorting a range will not affect other content on the worksheet. So here you can see, to sort a sheet, select a cell in the column you want to sort by. Next, what will you do? Select the data tab on the ribbon, then click the A to Z command to sort A to Z, or the Z to A command to sort Z to A. Next, the worksheet will be sorted by the selected column. Okay, here you can see, to sort a range, select the cell range you want to sort. In this example, you can see, select the data tab on the ribbon, then click the sort command. Okay, click the sort command. The sort dialog box will appear. Choose the column you want to sort by. In this example, we want to sort the data by the number of t-shirt order. So we will select orders. Decide the sorting order, either ascending or descending. We will use largest to smallest. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click OK. The cell range will be sorted by the selected column. In our example, the orders column will be sorted from highest to lowest. Okay. If your data is not sorting properly, double click your cell value to make sure they are entered into the worksheet correctly. Even a small typo could cause problems when sorting a large worksheet. Okay. In the example below, we forget to include a hyphen in cell A18. Causing our sort to be slightly inaccurate. Custom sorting. To create a custom sort, select a cell in the column you want to sort by. Okay. Select the data tab, then click the sort command. To sort dialog box will appear. Select the column you want to sort by, then choose custom list from the order field. In our example, we will choose to sort by t-shirt size. The custom list dialog box will appear. Select new list from the custom list. The items in the desired custom order in the list entries box. In our example, we want to sort our data by t-shirt size from smallest to largest. So we will type small, medium, large and X large, pressing enter on the keyboard after each item. Click add to save the new sort order. The new list will be added to the custom list. Make sure the new list is selected, then click OK. Next, the custom list dialog box will close. Click OK in the sort dialog box to perform the custom sort. The worksheet will be sorted by the custom order. In our example, the worksheet is now organized by t-shirt size from smallest to largest. Sorting labels. If you need more control over how your data is stored, you can add multiple labels to any sort. To add label, select a cell in the column you want to sort by. Click the data tab, then select the sort command. The sort dialog box will appear. Select the first column you want to sort by. In this example, we will sort by t-shirt size with the custom list we previously created for the order field. Click add label to add another column to sort by. Select the next column you want to sort by, then click OK. The worksheet will be sorted according to the selected order. In this example, the orders are sorted by t-shirt size. Within each group of t-shirt sizes, students are sorted by homeroom number. Okay. Now next topic is filtering data. If your worksheet contains a lot of content, it can be difficult to find information quickly. Filters can be used to narrow down the data in your worksheet, allowing you to view only the information you need. To filter data. In order for filtering to work correctly, your worksheet should include header row, which is used to identify the name of each column. Select the data tab, then click the filter command. A drop down arrow will appear in the header cell for each column. Click the drop down arrow for the column you want to filter. The filter menu will appear. Uncheck the box next to select all to quickly deselect all data. Next, check the boxes next to the data you want to filter, then click OK. In this example, we will check laptop and projector to view only these types of equipment. The data will be filtered temporarily, hiding any content that doesn't match the criteria. Because I have selected only laptops and projectors are visible. Here you can see laptops and projector are visible. Filtering option can also be accessed from the sort and filter command on the home tab. So student, this is solution that is based on previous video. Question number 1. A light sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is scanner. The basic architecture of computer was developed by Charles Babbage. Fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. Which tab can the user use to change the placement of the chart design? Next, what is the area known as where the chart is plotted? Plot area. This chart type depicts comparisons in horizontal bar chart. Which window display data when a chart is inserted? Datasheet. Which of the following is not an MS Excel function? Calculation. Features help to arrange the data in ascending and descending order. Sorting. Which of the following format you can decide to apply or not in auto format dialog box? Number format. Thank you. Homework for today is match the following. Thank you.